that used cooking oil in your pan, you're throwing away money. Here's how to clarify it and reuse it perfectly for months. Step 1. Pour your used oil through a fine mesh strainer into a clean container. This removes large food particles and debris immediately. Step 2. Let the oil settle undisturbed for 24 hours at room temperature. Sediment and water droplets will sink to the bottom. Step 3. Carefully pour the clear oil into a fresh container, leaving the sediment behind. Stop pouring when you see cloudy liquid approaching. Step 4. For extra clarity, line a strainer with cheesecloth or a coffee filter and pour the oil through one final time. Store in a sealed container away from heat and light. Pro tip: don't skip the 24-hour settling step. Rushing it leaves sediment that burns and ruins your next meal. Have you clarified oil before? Drop your results below. Follow Sikho for more kitchen hacks. Visit Sikho.ai.